Hello, students! In this video, we are diving into the fascinating world of homophones, homonyms, and homographs. Let's learn together. Homophones. These words sound the same but are spelt differently and have different meanings. For example, hire to employ and hire more advanced. In sentence, the company decided to hire someone with a higher level of expertise. Homonyms. These words have the same spelling and sound but different meanings depending on context. For example, bear can mean the animal, to tolerate or to carry. In sentence, she cannot bear the cold weather. The banner bears the politician's name. Homographs. These words are spelt the same but may have different pronunciations and meanings. For example, lead, to guide, and lead, a type of metal. In sentence, the coach will lead the team to victory. The pipes were made of lead, which is now considered unsafe for drinking water. Now it's your turn to answer. What is the difference between homonyms and homographs? Share your answers in the comments. The complete curriculum for Class 10 is available on our channel. Check out all the links provided in the description below. Please make sure to like, share, and comment for more such videos.